To check the results for grade 10 senior school and pathways they have been placed, you simply go to messages, then you start people 263. Then here in the text message, you write the assessment number of the learner. In this case, I'm not going to use an accurate assessment number for a learner. I'm just going to show you an example. So it's a A001308. Then for instance, 240, or if your learner is 260, you write it. So I want us to hear how Principal Secretary Bitok had said about the
able to know which schools and pathways they have been placed. A learner sends the assessment number to the number 22263, and there then instantly they'll be able to know which schools and pathways they have been placed starting Friday this week.